Duster. This looks nice and green. 4x4. Hey, is it a math test? Okay, Duster. I've never done this before. Whoa! Come on, Duster. Great! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Look, it's the floor! Whew! Great job! What? Duster, the street is broken. Okay, gotta do this. Whoa! It's like a driving test. Do an extreme. Woo! Great, Duster. I can see the sky. Wait a second. Ah. This is a concrete surfing. Yes! Very good. We did it. What's next? Okay. What is it? Sand? Okay, Duster, you know the rules in sand. Go fast and never brake. Great, Duster, you're doing great! Whoa! Look how fast we are! Whoa! Yes! That's crazy! Woo! We did it! Woo! Duster looks great. I need a new shirt and I can't wait to discover the other challenges. See you guys. I know it was fun, but you're really, really dirty. Look. Yeah. Oh, hi. Don't forget to subscribe.